Before we go and finish up with our modules, let's have a look around in our dashboard a little bit. You have My Lenses here, and this shows you the lenses that you've built, along with their current rank, the number of visits, and the amount of money that they've earned. You can also check the stats here. If we check our stats right now, here's what it's telling us. And you can go into your own and check that out. It tells you the current rank, where it's ranked in your current category. And then click on traffic. Gives you some more traffic stats. There's your profile that you set up already. You can invite friends, etc. So that's that. Now let's get on with the modules part. So let's go and edit our lens. Now when we first started our lens, we were given a choice of some predefined templates, and the one we chose had certain modules on it. The other ones that you can choose will look the same. They just have different modules down here for you to use. Now let's go and have a look at modules right now. You'll see in here all the different modules that you can add, and we've used a lot of these already. And if you just put your cursor over one, it gives you a little description here of what they do. We're allowed to have multiple instances of most of these modules. For instance, we can add another text module. And then go back into the layout. Go back and edit the lens. And then if we roll down, we'll see that there's another right module here. So we could actually move this up to where we wanted. If we wanted to have another right module between the pictures and the videos, for instance, we could do that in the last screen we were just at. So let's just go back. And click on Reorder Modules. And let's move this one between so let's put it there. Now we can go back, and between the photos and the videos, here's our right module, so we can go in and then again, you can give it a subtitle if you like, and then you put your text in here. And then we save. You could also upload a picture if you want here, that you can do in any right module. And then there's our right module that we just added there. So let's publish that. And then view it. There's our little store. And there's our photos. And there's another right module. And there's our YouTube videos. So that's how you can customize your site a little more. You can put multiple instances of many of these modules in if you want. Let's go back to our modules again and look at some more. Let's go and look at our modules. We've already been through a lot of these. But here's some neat ones here in Moneymakers. We'll just pick one of these. Of course, you can add Amazon and your featured merchant, but they have something neat here called Cafe Press. Actually, let's go back and pick a more appropriate category. Let's go with home and living. And here's some things you can add, like dog.com. If we click add, okay, we'll add that one. And then we will add a CafePress module. Now note that you can have multiple modules of CafePress in there. Now let's roll down to where we just added those. And let's go into dog. And then here you pick your products just by placing a keyword in there and it searches for you. And we've done that before. And then again, your subtitle and your module description if you want to use it. I'm going to key in puppy and find it. I've keyed in a couple others. There seems to be a problem with this particular module. So we'll bring another one in and try it. Let's go on to CafePress. CafePress is a really neat little module here that allows you to make some money either as a bounty by promoting somebody else's store or setting up your own CafePress store and promoting a shop. Now let's go and have a look at CafePress because I suggest setting up your own store.